The SISI test, also known as the Short Increment Sensitivity Index, is a valuable tool used to distinguish between cochlear and retrocochlear hearing loss by evaluating a patient's ability to detect changes in sound intensity. Patients with cochlear disorders can perceive even minor sound intensity changes as low as 1 dB. On the other hand, individuals with retrocochlear disorders cannot detect such small intensity variations. By incorporating the SISI test into your measure software, you can efficiently assess clients and aid in the diagnostic process. To start assessing clients with the SISI test in your measure software, you'll need to add it to your test types menu in the Pure Tone Audiometry module. To do this, select Tools, then Test Definitions. Select Add and click SISI. To apply this setting, you'll need to restart the software. When performing the SISI test, select it from the Test Types drop-down menu on your Pure Tone Audiometry screen. Next, choose the frequency you want to test and set the desired intensity level, ensuring it is comfortably above the client's threshold. During the test, a carrier tone will continuously play at the selected frequency. The intensity of the carrier tone is then gradually increased for short periods, typically by 1 dB. If needed, you can adjust the increment of intensity increases in the measurement control panel. Instruct the client to respond by pressing the Client Response button whenever they detect an increase in intensity. The measure software will automatically display and record the responses. It will then score and calculate the applicable statistics for each tested frequency. The SISI test in measure provides a quick and straightforward way to determine a differential diagnosis, making it an indispensable tool in your audiological evaluations.